Swimming do's and don'ts. Do warm up. It's important to start every workout with some sort of dry land and/or pool warm-up. Whether you're working on endurance or speed, it's important to get your muscles and energy systems acclimated. Your body needs time to warm up. This prevents injury and allows your body to reach maximum performance during the main sets of your workout. Do not eat a big meal before swimming. This one should be more obvious, but it needs to be said. A proper eating program is just as important to an elite athlete's success as their training program. The timing is also crucial. While you should not eat a giant meal before your swim, it's important to fuel your body for success with a pre-workout meal. Do hydrate. Taking on water before, during, and after working out will help fight fatigue and prolong endurance. It will boost your energy and keep you focused on each set of your swim workout. Remember to always have a water bottle or sports drink poolside. Do not swim alone. Whether you're open water swimming or in a pool, you should always have someone with you. If you're pool swimming, it could be the lifeguard. When you're out in the open water, find a swim buddy. Do consider sun safety. Protect yourself from the sun's rays when you're swimming. Neglecting your skin in the sun can be just as dangerous as ignoring swimming safety rules. The sun's burning rays can become more intense when they reflect off water. Put on broad-spectrum sunscreen that is SPF 15 or higher at least 30 minutes before you hit the water, and do everything you can to avoid the strongest sun between the hours of 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Also, reapply sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours. Don't let your hips sink. Letting your hips sink will create more resistance in the water, which will slow you down. Stay flat and float on top of the water. Not only will this help you cover more kilometers, it will engage your core. Do breath out slowly through your nose. Instead of holding your breath, exhale slowly while your face is underwater. When it's time to inhale again, your face will naturally lift out of the water and you'll take a breath. Don't rely on your upper body. You should be engaging your whole body when swimming. When you rely on your upper body muscles too much, you will quickly exhaust them. You won't be able to complete a full stroke, which will slow you down in the water. Do speed drills. Corbin suggests doing short and fast drills rather than long and slow. For a few workouts a week, focus on swimming for time, rather than distance. Don't swim for a long time at a slow pace. Slow and steady is fine in the beginning for perfecting form, but when you turn it into a leisurely lap, you tend to get lazy about technique. Join the growing do's and don'ts community by subscribing.